Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Close the
Hey guys, today we are talking about the brand new Jetboil Flash. Now the Flash has always been about lightning fast boil times, and the new model continues that by shaving an entire minute off the previous version's boil time of 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now that means you can now boil 16 ounces of water in just 100 seconds. The base plate on the new Flash, which you can see right here, is made of aluminum, and that means it's an ounce lighter than previous models. It also makes for an easier on-off connection than the older model. The new Flash also has a thermochromatic heat indicator that changes color for safety and fuel efficiency. And it tells you exactly when the water is hot so you don't waste any fuel. It still comes with a 1-liter Flux Ring cooking cup and insulated cozy, but it's also been updated with a more ergonomic design and an improved lid for better fit and function. It's got a drink-through lid with a built-in strainer, and the bottom cover doubles as a measuring cup and a bowl. Flash also has a reliable push-button igniter, and it puts out 9,000 BTUs of power. The new Flash will let you boil 10 liters of water with just one of these 100-gram jet power cans. There are also new Flash Cozy color options for 2018, including Carbon Black, Matrix, Jet Cam, and Wilderness. And you can opt for the new Flash Java kit, which you can see right here. The new Flash is also compatible with other accessories like the hanging kit, pot support, Flux Ring frying pan and pot, and utensils.
The Morakniv Companion S is the perfect all-round everyday carry knife. The 2.5mm thick blade is made of Swedish stainless steel, and the tang runs 3/4 of the way up the knife, which means that you are able to work with both power and precision. Attach the sheath with a practical belt clip so that your companion is always close at hand.